po kami ni Dea, we decided to start building our family. In the process, pero po kayong mga karakter ng Diyos na pinanghawakan. Sabi po sa Psalms 127 verses 1 to 3, unless the Lord builds a house, the work of the builders is wasted. Unless the Lord protects a city, guarding it with sentries will do no good. Verse 2, it is useless for you to work so hard from early morning until late at night. Siguro sabi sa akin ni Lord, huwag kang masyadong workaholic. Anxiously working for food to eat. For God gives rest to His loved ones. Salamat sa Diyos kasi mahal niya tayo at nagbibigay siya ng pahinga sa atin. In verse 3, sabi niya sa amin, children are a gift from the Lord. They are a reward from Him. So alam niyo na po kung saan ito papunta. We praise God because He is the builder of our home and He is our great provider. At salamat po sa Diyos because He provided a new life to our family. As you know, Dea and I are expecting a baby this year. And our baby is one of the biggest gifts na na-receive po namin sa life namin so far. At ngayong 2026, magiging tatay na ako. Hindi na Kuya Richard tawag sa akin, Daddy Richard na. Tsaka si Dea, nanay na siya. So, Mami Dea ka na. Okay? So, yun lang po. Praise God because He never failed providing for us. Salamat sa Diyos. And words are really not enough para pasalamatan siya. Yun lamang po.